Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So, this is a quick run to show you how this works. It's straightforward how to unwrap. It's not really that hard sometimes. I've grabbed this model, which one of the people did. So what we're going to quickly do, we're going to quickly select it all. No, we're not. We're going to attach. Actually, we're going to select it all. We go to unwrap. Where is it? There. Then we open to UV editor. Now straight away we're going to have this big pile of blob. Looks a bit messy. I know it's very horrible. But the quickest way I can show you how to do this, I like to do the vert. We don't need that. I like using... What's happening here? Did I misclick? I misclicked. I'm so sorry. I'm useless. Pick texture, remove texture, checked pattern. It's not showing my checker. There we go. Oh, okay. So we select all. I choose this face. This is easier. So then you're gonna find quick peel. Whoosh. Does a lot for you straight away. And then I like to try and use the flat compactor to flatten it. But as you see, it's gone into weird little bits. It is very odd. So we do a quick peel again. And I don't like how that's turned out. So we go undo, undo, undo. So we try a disattach. Yeah, break. Then try and do a flat. Yeah, it hasn't gone quite well. Try a quick peel. A break and a quick peel. See if that worked. No. So sometimes you have to come in here manually. There we go. Then we move it. And then try quick peel it. It does that. So let me try flat it. Look at that. And then try flat it again. And then quick peel. Okay, it hasn't gone that bad. But for supplementary sakes, I think it's mostly these look okay. Because if we look down here, so it's unwrapping down to here. He hasn't done this one. Yeah, you can see these are the rings. So the rings could be different colours. So say for example, this is one. Can't exactly see it on the screen here because it might be covered. Oh, there we go. If you zoom in here, you can see it here. It's very, very stretched. But my main problem is, what is this triangle? I need this. Try compact that. It's not liking that either. So we're gonna try and manually break it. So we press break. See if it comes apart. It comes apart nicely. That's nice. So with that, we just chuck it over here for now. Then we grab this. We break. Sometimes it does require some manual. So if I just move it as it is here, you see it's two wobbles. So we just grab this, and we go to here to press break. Is it showing up there? Yeah, it's showing. So press break. Oh, nope. We need to grab it all. Break. And you just go around for each one of these. And just press break. To be honest, these can stay the same. They're not actually a really major threat whatsoever. If you choose this one, it'll go that easy. They're not actually a big problem. They're in good clumps. You're probably just going to do one texture on these, because obviously it's not a massive design for our coursework. But for these, like, because how extruded they are, you probably want to break these. I'm hoping I'm making sense for you. No. Oh, no. There. And there we go. Break. Move that. Break. Break. Sometimes it does require some manual work. Break. Break. Break or hit. Break. 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 Okay, so that's nice. What is this for? What are you? Where are you? Hello. What are you? You know what that is? I bet that's the bone. Because there's a bone in here. Yeah, look. It's the bone. So the bone doesn't really matter right now. So what I'm going to do next, because it's all in pieces, we're going to select. Obviously now, if we collect here, 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 and then we'll try and flatten it now. It's doing that again. I think it's because it's got so much symmetry. So let's try a quick peel. The quick peel isn't that bad. Now try to do flat. Flatten by angle's not bad. I think the best one you're gonna get for this type of situation is to literally go by this one. Flatten is a quick, dirty way, but if you Control A for all, could quick peel, and then peel mode, reset peel. It's not the greatest, but I feel like for your models, you're not going to do too much. You're going to put this in substance anyway, so you might as well do the quick flat pack. Or you can either do the quick peel. But you're wasting so much potential space, because then textures will bleed into each other. So I believe this would be good. Relax, filter. Okay, so that's just doing that. I actually could. That's not a bad idea. Stretch selections, yeah. This could work. This could work here. Quick peel. And do that. Flatten. There we go. So it's just like tinkering a little bit. The flatten modification will do the best. There's no other way around it, I'm afraid, Ella. That's the best example I'm able to give you. By using a complex shape like this. Or I could get my tower. Yes, let's get my tower there quick. How long has this been going on for? 9 minutes. That shouldn't be long. Come on, 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 come on. Come on. There we go. Much better. So, say for this one, we go to here. I've already unwrapped this. You open my unwrap editor. For this, I just simply unpacked because it worked really well on a straight unpack. So, if we go to here, customize stitching, quick peel. See, it's just perfectly already. And we do packed. See, it's all really well and fine. But if I want to quickly delete that, oh no, I want to just delete that modifier and try again for you. We go to unwrap. I've obviously got it as a macro. Oh, it looks terrible, doesn't it? Oh no, it's devastating. Look at it. Oh, it's dreadful. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but if you go to here and do texturized, it gives like these numbers. So then you can see them on your map here. You can see some bits are not showing, which is fine. And then if we select it all, and then we go to flatten customization, it does it all really fast. It makes it all bigger. It makes certain bits better. This is like a quick, dirty way of doing it. And it can be okay. It can cause some problems. Like this. This is not actually good. You can see it's just justifying. So one slipper goes that way. But for mostly, a flatten might be a good. Yeah, that looks perfectly fine for what we're doing, especially in Substance. In Substance, literally, it does it all for you. Picked by number, package custom, package together. Yeah, that's not the greatest. So literally just use the flat modifier. It'll do it all dead quick. But then for a more complicated one, like for my turret up here, you might not have these problems because yours is like of chess pieces. So I believe it'd be a little simpler. We go to here, we go to unwrap editor. This might look confusing. Don't worry, don't worry. You select all. And then we could do, obviously we can't get a compact, but we could do a break maybe. Break again. Do a quick peel. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. It wasn't going to do much, I think, that time. Oh, no, wait, actually. Do a compact. It's very, very small individual parts, as you can see. And then we go to texture UV. I'm just going to chuck this on the other screen for a sec. But if you click here, you can see like the numbers and individual wrappings. So with mine, I had a lot of problems. It's more of like test and driving. But again, because how well yours is, you may not face this problem. So keep a number of that. So long as it's all packed in nice and taking up all the spaces, so when you're in ZBrush, you can fill in the spaces very nicely. I hope that helped you, Ella. Again, I'm not a great at explaining that type of stuff at all. But yeah, I hope it was better for you. Have a lovely evening.